If you want to unlink your Hopper account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option, usually found in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Find link accounts. Look for a section labeled linked accounts or connections. This is where you can manage any social media accounts connected to your Hopper profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. In the linked account section, locate the Facebook option. Tap on it and you should see an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Hopper. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. After selecting to unlink, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the disconnection. Once you have completed these steps, your Hopper account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Hopper's customer support for further assistance.